Unit 2, Strength Training. What is strength? Muscular strength is the ability for a group of muscles to develop maximal contractile force against resistance in a single contraction. What are the benefits of strength? There are several benefits that muscular strength brings to many sports, especially sports such as rugby, boxing, sumo, and powerlifting. Muscular strength also benefits general health, as well as making everyday tasks easier. Lifting heavy objects will become a lot easier with good muscular strength, and you will be less likely to pick up an injury when doing activities like this. How do we train for strength? There are 3 different types of training methods that are commonly used. These are machine weights, free weights, and circuit training. What are the different types of strength training? It is important to remember when training for muscular strength that reps must be high and sets are low. Rest periods should be from 2 to 4 minutes long, depending on intensity. Muscular strength training sessions should last around 30 to 60 minutes. One effective technique for training muscular strength is doing pyramid sets. This is where you do 4 sets of an exercise, such as bench press. The first set should be low weight and high reps. This is mainly to get the muscles warmed up. This set should be followed by 2 sets of high weight and low reps in order to overload the muscles. And finally, the 4th set should be low weight and very high reps. Ideally, the muscles should be very fatigued by the end of the 4th set. The idea of the 4th set is for the muscles. It will make it much harder for the muscles to work. It will almost feel impossible for them to do the 4th set, but they will be able to do it. For the first case study, it is Sally Jones. She's a female, aged 43, with a BMI of 29. She's played no sports. She has asthma, and she does a 30-minute yoga class every week. She wanted to get into muscular strength training for her general health and well-being. I recommend 3 circuit sessions a week, only lasting 30 minutes. This is because Sally doesn't do much physical demanding activities in her average week, so she may be at risk of overworking or getting injured if there's too much for her to handle. I have recommended circuit training because Sally is overweight according to her BMI. Circuit training is a more effective way of burning fat and losing weight than sets on resistance machines. For Sally's first week of muscular strength training, I recommended a circuit full of compound exercises to get large groups of muscles working properly together. Perhaps further down the road, Sally can start to add isolated exercises such as bicep curls in order to improve individual muscle pairs that are weak compared to others. The reason I don't Sally doesn't jump straight into her isolated exercises in her circuit is because it will be more beneficial for her to work large muscle groups at the very start of her training, as several muscles are working together to perform reps. So this way, Sally is being more efficient with her training. The second case study is Fred Andrews. He is a male, aged 20, with a BMI of 23. He plays rugby and has no medical issues. He does rugby training once a week and does a match and goes to the gym twice a week. He is trying to bulk up for rugby and for general use, and would prefer to go to the gym and do strength training. I have recommended a set plan for Fred to use when he is in the gym. This consists of free weights and resistance machines, a mixture of both. I haven't pushed him too hard because he only goes to the gym a couple of times a week and plays rugby once. So if we overwork him, then he won't be able to continue with his everyday activities and his work. The idea behind using both free weights and resistance machines is that the mixture of both will train Fred to use groups of muscles together as well as working on singular muscles. I will start him off with resistance machines so that he doesn't fatigue any of his muscles, because resistance machines usually work large groups of muscles, whereas free weights tend to just work the singular muscle. And then Fred will see stronger benefits.